Good morning, students. Today, let us continue with our next chapter in English literature for the revision. Lesson 3, The Ungrateful Frog. You are already aware of the story of this lesson. I have already sent to you earlier, but all the same, I just want to give you in short this content of this lesson. The story, The Ungrateful Frog, is a folk tale from Africa in which a frog who gets his wish but is not satisfied. We know the story about the king of the reed and the cry of the little frog. And thereafter, what has happened to the frog. So, somewhere in Africa, the king of reeds was taking rest when he heard a frog croak sadly. It was crying very sadly. Then he was unable to remain in his place, so he gets up and walk out and wanting to find out where the cry coming from. So he asked the frog about its problem. So he went and he found the frog and he went to ask what is the problem with the frog. The frog replied that the water snake could at any moment eat the frog, so that made the frog to cry. So what was the reason that he was sad and crying? Because he told at any moment the water snake will eat him up. So the king of the reeds turned frog into a water snake. So the wish of the frog was he wanted to become a water snake, and he turned the king of the reed turned him into a water snake. But the problem was not solved. The frog was unsatisfied. So again the frog and a water snake turned into heron, then heron turned into jackal, from jackal to leopard. Thereafter he also told, I would like to serve you if you make me a warrior. And the king of the reed was upset, yet he made with an agreement, he made him a man, a warrior. And the agreement that at any time the warrior will serve the king of the reed. And finally we know the story. When the time comes, the king of the reed sent his people, the servants, to the warrior to help him out with his some fights or whatever it is. But what was happened? The warrior, the little frog was so ungrateful that a frog turned warrior, the man was very ungrateful, and he told, just like the king of reed, I am also very powerful. It's not necessary that I have to go and serve him. So the king of the reed was very upset, and he called out the frog turned warrior. But he refused, thinking that he was greater than the king of reeds. So he became so an unselfish and a selfish frog, the warrior. He was thinking that he is bigger than the king of the reed. So the people, the men who was sent by the king went and reported back what has happened. So thereafter, the frog and the king of the reed was so angry, and he turned the frog back and turned the warrior into the back into a frog again. So that was a final thing has happened with this lesson. Now we shall discuss the exercises from the book. Kindly take your book, have your book in front of you, so that we can have the revision together. We have first fill in the blanks or complete the sentences. So please go through that together. Number 1, the king of the reeds sat down to rest because he had worked all day long. So the whole day he was working, and towards the end of the day he was gone to rest. That time it had happened, he heard the sound of the frog. Number 2, the frog was sitting on a dash leaf floating on the water. He was sitting on a green lily leaf, a little lily pad. He was sitting on it. The heron pecked at the water snake. Number 4, the jackal caught the snake-turned heron by his long, elegant neck. The hunter wanted to kill the jackal-turned leopard because his coat would bring him a lot of fame. So these are the we have the complete the following sentences. Now we have the question answers. The first question, see that the question answers question answers can come from within the question answers, short answers. So please learn it thoroughly. Why was the frog scared of the water snake? So the only that part of the question also you should know what to answer. The frog was scared of the water snake because it thought that the snake could quickly will eat him up. Will swim and come and hunt him and eat him up. And how did the king of the reed solve his problem? So he solved this problem by turning the frog into a water snake. Number 2. The question, describe the snake turned heron. Pick out the words that show that he was pleased with his appearance. The snake turned heron was tall and grey. It knew that it was words like ruffled his smooth feathers proudly and stalked back and forth in the water show that he was pleased with his appearance. And number 3, we have the question, how did the snake turned heron behave when he was turned into a jackal? He was quite happy with the appearance of his himself. Number 3 answer, when the snake turned heron became a jackal, he ran all over the place, leaping at small creatures and fluffing out his tail. He sniffed the evening air and howled at high pitch at the moon rising over the edge of the reeds. What is given in your copy, please learn. Maybe I have given you in short, please learn it. Number 4, we have, according to the story, who is the greatest hunter of all? What weapons did he carry? According to the story, man is the greatest hunter of all. That is a single question also can come like that. Then, the warrior approaching the lake carried a plumed spear and a fine shield. Man is he could even kill the fairest leopard with one strike of the spear. Spear is a sharp weapon that we have already learned in the word meanings. Please kindly learn the word meanings well. Number 5, we have, what did the king of the reeds ask the leopard turned warrior to do? What was the warrior's response? The king of the reeds asked leopard turned warrior to help him to build a new palace. But the warrior in his arrogance sent back a message saying that he was equally a great warrior who was powerful and noble as the king, and therefore he was not obliged to help the king. Means to say the frog refused to help the king of the reeds to build the palace. So please learn the word meanings as well as question answers well. Now we have the next, the extract given you in the book and in the copy. Am I have no peace at all? He roared angrily. Who said this? Who says these words? The king of the reed says these words. Number 2b, why is speaker angry? The speaker is angry because he has already changed the frog into a water snake and the snake into a heron, and he was still not happy, and he changed again snake turned heron into something more powerful. He feels that there is no end of this. So he was very upset because the unsatisfied behavior of the frog. Number C, we have, what does the speaker do immediately after saying these words? The speaker changes the snake turned heron into a jackal immediately after saying this. Now we have the second one, make me a warrior and I shall serve you all of my life. Number A question, who says these words and to whom? The jackal turned leopard says these words to the king of the reeds. Number B. Does the speaker keep his promise? No, the speaker does not keep his promise. See what happens to the speaker thereafter. The speaker behaves arrogantly and hence he is turned into the frog he used to be. So students, these are the exercises of the book which is given in your copy, as well as we will find it in the book. Please revise it well, learn the word meanings, both A and B part, so that we can you can write the answers well when the test comes. Kindly go through the book and learn it. Thank you.